What is up, you guys? It is that Austin from Save Point Games here. Sorry if you hear rain in the background. It's raining here, but it might be some nice ambience or something like that, you know. So anyway, but yeah, this is the Paldea Evolved ETB. This set came out Friday. It's currently Sunday. Sorry I didn't get it out to you sooner, but I had some personal stuff going on. But we are gonna get into this. So let's go ahead and grab a pair of scissors and open it up here. And if you guys are buying these from GameStop, do not forget GameStop will price match. ETBs are now 50 bucks, but Walmart had these for $45 on their app, so you can show them the Walmart app and they should let you have these for fairly cheap, around the $45. But here's the front. Love the colors on this. I didn't think I would, but it's a lot better in person. It's like watching the YouTube videos doesn't do this thing justice. I love the side here with the that one just says Pokemon, but I love the starters. I love this little box art. So what's in this is gonna be, I'm pretty sure it's in 10 packs now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 9 packs. So there's 9 packs now. Of course, you get your energy brick and the dividers, some sleeves, damage counters, and you get this sick promo that all ETBs come with a promo now, or all the Scarlet and Violet ones do. Can we see in there, what is it? It looks like just like evolutions of the starters, and who's that? I can't make that out. Trying to see back here, can't really make it out, but it's all the starters basically. Here's a little book, because I haven't really seen this whole set yet. This dude, that it's the starters and that dude. The starters fully evolved. But anyway, back to what we was looking at. Showing us some of the EX cards. Pikachu's pretty cool. I guess Pikachu's in this set. Chi-Yu, Qinbao, Tinglu, Wu-Qing. Some more EXs. I'm gonna skip to the set. Where's the set? I don't really care about all this. Alright, here we go. Here's some of the cards. I am personally looking for the Iono trainer, alt art, whatever they call them now. The illustrator rare. I love that Pikachu EX as well. I didn't even know that was in here. Some more of it. I'm gonna go a little faster. I'm going a little slow here, taking my time. Here's some of the trainers, or like the illustrator rares. They're calling them now. Some cool ones. I love that Magikarp, dude. I would love to pull the Magikarp now. The Tyranitar, that one's really cool too. Some of the full arts. Dun Sparse. What else do I see? I see the EX full arts. Those look cool. Gold cards are back. That's interesting. Oh, rainbows. They took away the rainbows. That's right. There's some cool illustrators. The Chi-Yu is pretty cool. Iono. That's one of the ones I'm interested in trying to pull. I really like the illustrator rare version of that one's a lot better, which I don't see the... Oh, there it is. I'm looking for this card. Yeah, so, but cool. All right, we'll get into what you actually care about now. We'll get into the pulls. So we'll top off with ETB, throw that in the back. This one's actually busted. You can see that right there already. We'll pull this out, or well, do it this way because this helps keep it divided, right? So we'll go right here. You got your damage counters for the Scarlet and Violet. Oh, that dice is sick. It's got the grass, water, and fire type right there. Let me see these. I can't get it open. That's because I was opening it from the wrong way. I really like this. This is cool. EX thing right there. Yeah. It's going on my desk next to my Dragonoid Bakugan. Okay. So, there's that. What else we got in here? I think this is your... Oh, that's the promo. Okay. We will show that later. Let me pull this out. So this is going to be an energy brick right here. Always just energies. So we're not even going to attempt to go through it. We got the sleeves right here. Code card, if anyone wants to grab that. And of course your dividers. Same thing that's on the sleeve, but the back has them without the waves. Another energy brick. Throw that over there in the corner. And now what we all care about, the packs. And then I'll show you the promo here in just a second. Let's look at the pack artwork. What we got here? Starters and that dude. That's cool. Okay. Boom. Right there. I guess we'll show you the promo real quick. Wow. That looks really cool. I'm not as hyped for this promo as I am the Charmander one that's coming out for Obsidian Flame. The one where he's looks like a puppy staring at some birds, the Pidgeys. But no, this is cool though. This is pretty cool. Pikachu with the starters back there. I think the Japanese one goes for a decent bit too. But here we go. Anyway, about to get into ripping the packs. That's what you care about. You're like, Austin, it's been 7 minutes. What are you doing? Open some packs. And of course, our first pack's a black code card. Black is black good now? I'm not sure. One for Scarlet and Violet. Dark Energy. Slack Off. Waterel. Fuecoco. That's pretty cool. Bramblin. Giacomo. Guacamole right there, bro. Talonflame. Heracross. And Oranguru reverse. We got the Primeape reverse. And a Hollow Tinkaton. Okay, so black code cards are no bueno. No bueno. No good. So, here we go. I even show this. There's your code card. Have a blast. Go ahead and rip that open. Okay, so looks like this is rough ETB so far. One to the front now. And we got a Basic Energy, Wingull, Pineco. I noticed this in the back of, who was it? Primeape? What is that? I don't know what that is. Interesting. Tinkatink, right? Tinkatink. Mankey. Calamitous Wasteland. Can't talk. There's a Primeape with that thing again. Grusha. A Noibat reverse. Magnemite reverse. Let me put these over here in the correct spot. And a Orthworm. Hollow. Woo! 2 for 2 pull rates, bro. What is this? What is this, dude? Oh my gosh. Another black code. Okay. Not looking good for the home team. Fire Energy. Cufant. Krogunk. Kitottle. Shroodle. Kilowattrel. Azumarill. Ice-Cube. Reverse Hollow Jet Energy. Ooh, the reverse Pikachu. It's actually pretty cool. And a Hollow Veluza. Pikachu's probably the coolest thing we've pulled so far, but thank you that we get a promo because, bro, that's 3 packs for 3. And we still got, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to go? I hope this isn't a bust. We'll see. Dude! This is a joke. This is a joke, bro. That's crazy. Okay, basic steel energy, Delibird, Super Rod, Love Disc, Snover, Mismagius, Bramblegast, Superior Energy Retrieval, Reverse Rookity, Reverse Tinkatuff, and a Hollow Rabsca. Oh my gosh. Have y'all been getting anything good out of this? That's 4 packs with nothing. I feel like Pokemon's been doing better than that recently. I don't know. I feel like, that's awful. I love opening packs, but I don't do it anymore unless it's like for this. Because, like, I mean, Pokemon's just gotten so bad with this, man. Pokemon's are basic Psychic Energy, Phalanx, Jigglypuff. That's a cool artwork. Tadbulb, Girafarag, Vice Queen, Iono. There we go. Now only if we could pull the Illustrator rare. Knucklestack, Delivery Drone Reverse, Sableye Reverse, and a Hydreigon Hollow. Oh my gosh. I'm not saying to pull something in every pack, you know, but it's just annoying when everything's a black code. Like, look at this. Electric Energy, Fletchling, Voltorb, Clavel, Tropius, Sudowoodo, Pelipper, Fletchfinder, Tropius, Reverse Hollow, Orthworm, Reverse Hollow, and a Hollow Abomasnow. Oh boy. 3 packs to go and we haven't pulled any, like, nothing. That's crazy. Actually, though, Water Energy, Great Ball, Rellor, Quaxley, Tinkatink. Oh, that's cute. Crying. Corvisquire. Ooh, you better watch out for the Tinkatink over there. Jet Engine, Mastiff, Reverse Delibird, Reverse Spiritomb. Okay. It's something. You know what I'm saying? Ah, bro. That, we'll take it, you know? Because it's something. We literally went this whole ETB and got nothing. That's wild. That's crazy. Two packs, and we've pulled probably like the worst EX you can get. But I think that one was a black code too, right? So you can pull something in a black code. So code's color doesn't matter anymore, I guess. Dark Energy, Dunsparce, Hoppip, Paldean Wooper, Noibat, Toxicroak, Oranguru, Electrode, Reverse Snover, Reverse Combee, and a Hollow Spiritomb. There we go. Okay. One more pack, and we're done here. There it is. What do we got? Rock Energy, Pincurchin, Makuhita, Magikarp, Slowpoke, Fighting Aeolate, Quaxwell, Saguaro. Reverse Makuhita. Reversal Energy Reverse. And a regular hollow Baxcalibur. Okay. Alrighty. Well, at least you get a promo, right? It is a sick promo. I'll give it that, though. But, I don't know. With Pokemon these days, I really don't see the point in opening cards, because you're not going to get anywhere. I would just get singles. I don't know. I thought Pokemon was starting to do better. I felt like we were getting some good pull rates in Scarlet and Violet. We were getting some good pull rates in other sets like Crown Zenith. But like this is what makes Pokemon not fun, dude. When you get all that and just random hollows, man. I don't know. I hope you guys got some good pulls. I'm sick of just opening garbage though. So anyway. We'll see. We'll see how the next set goes. Let me know what you guys got down below. If you got anything good. So, yeah. If you stuck around this long, appreciate you for watching the video. Thanks. Peace.